Now this is set number 14430/4/1. This set has come in 2024 and section A. This section comprises multiple choice questions, MCQs of 1 mark each. Its first question is, the distance between the points 2, -1 and -1, -5 is, there are 4 options. Find the correct one. Let these 2 points are A and B. The coordinates of A are 2, -1 and coordinates of B are -1, -5. The distance between this is 5 units and B is the option. The second question. If C1 -1 is the midpoint of the line segment AB joining points A 4x and B -2 4, then the value of x is. Again there are 4 options. Now this is the line segment AB. The coordinates of A are 4x, coordinates of B -2 4. Let this point is C 1 -1. Now this is the midpoint of these 2 coordinates AB. So I am to find the value of x. It means x plus 4 upon 2 is equal to -1. And if you solve this, you will get value of x as -6. So D is the option. Now the third question. Which of the following relationship is correct? These are the 4 relationships which are given to us. I am to find the correct one. The correct one is C. Probability of E plus probability of E bar is equal to 1. That is a correct answer. So C is the correct answer. Now the fourth question is, the following distribution gives the daily income of 50 workers of a factory. Income is written. Number of workers, this is number of workers here. The lower limit of the model class is, that is, there are 4 options. Since this is not continuous, and so we will make it continuous. For that, you all know how to make it continuous. You will deduct 0.5 from this lower limit and you will add 0.5 in this upper limit. You will do the same in all the classes. And this is 399.5 to 424.5 and 424.5 to 449.5 and so on. And this is the highest frequency. This is the model class and lower limit of the model class is 424.5. That is the answer. So C is the option. Now the fifth question. A lamp post 9 meter high cast a shadow 3√3 meter long on the ground. The sun's elevation at this point is, there are 4 options. Now this is the lamp post, BC is the lamp post, it's 9 meter high and AB is the shadow and length of the shadow is 3√3 meter. I am to find the angle theta. So tan theta is equal to BC by AB and tan theta is equal to 9 upon 3√3. Just cut the numbers, you will have √3. Tan theta is √3. When tan theta is √3, when theta is equal to 60 degree. So A is the option. Now the sixth question. If 1 0 of a quadratic polynomial kx² plus 4x plus k is 1, then the value of k is, again there are 4 options. Now this is a quadratic polynomial kx² plus 4x plus k. Let alpha beta the 0 of the quadratic polynomial. So sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. You have to write the sum of the zeros, you have to write the product of the zeros. Sum of the zeros is -4 by k, product of the 0 is equal to 1. Now one of the roots is 1, so let alpha is 1, then beta is again come out to be 1. Now alpha plus beta is -4 by k. You have value of alpha 1, value of beta 1, and here you will be able to find the value of k which will come out to be -2. So B is the option. Now the seventh question. The number of quadratic polynomial having zeros -1 and 3 is, there are 4 options. Now here alpha is -1, beta is 3. So quadratic polynomial, you will write the quadratic polynomial. It's k x² minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Substitute the values. You will have quadratic polynomial k x² minus 2x minus 3. K can take any value 1, 2, 3. So D is the option. So number of polynomials are more than 3. So D is the option. Now the 8th question. The roots of the quadratic equation x² minus 4 is equal to 0 are, there are 4 options. Now x² minus 4 is equal to 0. Factorize it. you will get x minus 2, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Either x minus 2 is 0 or x plus 2 is 0. Value of x is 2 or value of x is minus 2. So B is the option. Ninth question, which of the following is not a quadratic equation? So these 4 equations are given. You have to find which one is not a quadratic equation. So D is the option. This is not a quadratic equation because power of x is minus 1. So this is not a quadratic equation. 10th question, the common difference of an AP. If A23 minus A19 is 32 is, there are 4 options. Now this is given to us. I am to find D. So A23 is A plus 22D. A19 is A plus 18D. And find the value of D. This will come out to be 8. So A is the option. Now the 11th question. 1 over tan square theta minus 1 over sin square theta is equal to. There are 4 options. Now 1 over tan square theta minus 1 over sin square theta. This thing can be written as cos square theta upon sin square theta. Then take the LCM. Then it can be written as minus common 1 minus cos square theta. And this is minus sin square theta upon sin square theta. This is minus 1. So B is the option. Now the 12th question. The region between the chord and either of the 2 arcs of a circle is called a segment. So C is the option. Now the 13th question. If 1080 is equal to 2 raised to power x into 3 raised to power y into 5, then x minus y is equal to, there are 4 options. First factorize this. You will get 1080 equal to 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 3 into 5. 1080 is given this. So this is equal to this. It means value of x is 3, value of y is 3, and you have these 2 values. X minus y is 0. So D is the option. Now the 14th question. In a given figure, PA is a tangent from an external point P to the circle with center O. If AOP is 70 degree, then the measure of APO is. Now this angle is given 70 degree. So this is 90 degree because radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So we have these 2 angles. We can find the third one. And it means how we will find it? 180 minus sum of these 2 angles. That will come out to be 20 degree. So this is what I have written here. You can check it. And D is the option. Now 15th question. 15th question. The median group in the following frequency distribution is. Class is given. Frequency is given. We are to find the median group. So here class is written. Here frequency is written. Write cumulative frequency. Here n is 60. N by 2 is 30. And in a cumulative frequency, the number which is more than 30 is 33. So this is the line. So 20 to 30 is the median group. So cumulative frequency just greater than 30 is 33. So median group is 20 to 30. That is B is the option. Now the 16th sum. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, if an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center of the circle, then the length of the arc is. There are 4 options. Here theta is 60 degree, r is 21 centimeter. Length of the arc, write the formula, substitute the values. It will come out to be 22 centimeter. So D is the option. Now the 17th question. A tangent to a circle is a line that touches the circle at 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, infinite number of points. A is the option, 1 point only. Now the 18th question. In the given figure, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle QPR, then value of x is. This figure is given to us. There are 4 options here. Now ABC is similar to QPR. So AB upon QP is equal to BC upon PR is equal to AC upon QR. Write this and take the help of this and substitute the values. You will get value of x is equal to 2.3 centimeter. So C is the option. Now question number 19 and 20 are assertion and reason based questions. 2 statements are given and labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Select the correct answer to these questions from the code A, B, C, D as given below. A. Both assertion A and reason R are true and reason R is the correct explanation of assertion A. B is both assertion A and reason R are true but reason R is not the correct explanation of assertion A. C, assertion A is true but reason R is false. D, assertion A is false but reason R is true. Now 19th question, assertion A, the pair of linear equations 5x plus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0 and 7x plus 6y plus 18 is equal to 0 have infinitely many solutions. Reason R, the pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 have infinitely many solutions if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Now assertion A is false and reason R is true statement. Now assertion A is false. Why? 5x plus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0, 7x plus 6y plus 18 is equal to 0. Here 5 by 7 is not equal to 2 by 6. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So it has unique solution, but it doesn't have infinitely many solution. So this is a false statement and reason R is a true statement. So D is the option. Now assertion A, 20th question, assertion A, the probability of getting number 8 on rolling a die is 0. Reason R, the probability of an impossible event is 0. Now both are true statements. Assertion A is a true statement, reason R is a true statement. Both are true statements and reason R is the correct explanation of assertion A. So A is the option. Now section B. This section comprises very short answers type questions of 2 marks each. 21st question. Given that HCF of these two numbers is 18, find the LCM of these two numbers. Now LCM of these two numbers is equal to 306 into 1314 divided by HCF of these two numbers. HCF of these two numbers is given 18. So calculate it, you will get 22,338. So that is the answer. Now 22nd question. X, Y and PQ are two tangents drawn at the end points of the diameter AB of a circle. Prove that XY is parallel to PQ. Now draw this figure and these two are tangents and they are drawn at the end points of this diameter, and we know radius is perpendicular to tangent at this point, at the point of contact. So this angle is 90 degree. Similarly this angle is 90 degree. So these two are alternate angles which are equal. If they are equal, then XY is parallel to PQ. This is what I have written here. You can check it here from here. Now 23rd question A part. In the given figure, PQ is parallel to RS. Prove that OP into OR is equal to OQ into OS. Now this figure is given to us. This line is parallel to this line. It means angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. These are alternate angles. So this triangle and this triangle they are similar triangles. If they are similar triangles, their sides are proportional. If sides are proportional, it means OQ by OR is equal to OP by OS. And cross multiply it, you will get the result. 23rd question B part. In the given figure, LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD. Prove that AM upon AN is equal to AB upon AD. Now this figure is given to us. Now in triangle ADC, LN is parallel to CD. It means AN by AD is equal to AL by AC. In triangle ABC, LM is parallel to CB. It implies AM by AB is equal to AL by AC. Now from 1 and 2, AN by AD is equal to AM by AB. You will have AB by AD is equal to AM by AN. So it means AM by AN is equal to AB by AD. That is the result we want to prove. 24th question. If alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial 8x square plus 14x plus 3, then find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Now alpha beta are the zeros of this polynomial. Now write sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. It will be alpha plus beta is equal to minus 7 by 4. Alpha beta is equal to 3 by 8. Now I am to find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Alpha beta is the LCM, beta plus alpha in the numerator. Just substitute the values, you will get minus 14 by 3 as answer. Now 24th question B part. Find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are minus 9 and 6. Now here alpha is minus 9, beta is equal to 6. These are the two zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Sum of the zeros likho, that will come out to be minus 3. Product of the zeros, that will come out to be minus 54. Write x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. that is the equation of a quadratic polynomial. Substitute the values, you will get answer x square plus 3x minus 54. Now evaluate this. So substitute the values, and you know sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, minus cos 30 is root 3 by 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, minus cot 45 is 1. Now 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 minus 1. 4 is the LCM, 1 minus 3 minus 4. You will get minus 6 by 4, that is minus 3 by 2. That is the answer. This section comprises short answers type questions of 3 marks each. 26th question is, a chord of a circle of radius 10 cm subtends a right angle at the center of the circle. Find the area of the corresponding minor sector and major sector. Now this is the figure. Now here this angle is 90 degree. This is the radius. This is 10 cm and this is one sector, and you have to find the area of this sector and you have to find the area of this sector. Now area of this sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Now the area of the major sector is pi r square minus area of the minor sector. Now area of the minor sector, theta by 360 pi r square. Here theta is equal to 90 degree, r is 10 centimeter, and value of pi you are going to take 3.14. Now when you calculate it, you will find 78.5 centimeter square. Now area of the major sector, pi r square minus area of the minor sector. So area of the major sector is pi r square minus area of the minor sector. When you substitute the values here, you will get 235.5 centimeter square. That is the area of the major sector. 27th question, A part. Prove that the opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtends supplementary angles at the center of the circle. This is the figure. So we have to prove angle AOB plus COD, that is 180 degree, and angle AOD and BOC is 180 degree. Now its proof is, now angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 4, angle 5 is equal to angle 6, angle 7 is equal to angle 8. Why? Tangents drawn from an external point to a circle subtends equal angle at the center. This is what we know. And now again we know sum of all these angles is, we also know sum of all these angles is equal to 360. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, they are equal to 360. So instead of angle 1, write angle 2. Instead of angle 4, write angle 3. Instead of angle 5, write angle 6. Instead of angle 8, write angle 7. So 2 times 2 plus 2 times 3 plus 2 times 6 plus 2 times 7 is equal to 360. Take 2 common, you will have angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 is equal to 360. So angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 is 180 degree. So instead of angle 2 plus 3, you can write angle C plus angle COD plus angle AOB, that is 180 degree. Similarly, I can prove angle AOD plus angle BOC is 180 degree. So that is the proof of this statement. Now 27th question, B part. If O is the center of the circle, PQ is a chord, and the tangents PR at P makes an angle of 40 degree with PQ, then find the measure of angle POQ. So this angle is given. I am to find this angle POQ. If this angle is 40 degree and OP is perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact, so angle 1 plus 40 is 90 degree. If this is 40, then angle 1 is 50 degree. If this is 50, this is 50, because these two are radius and the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So this is 50, 50 plus 50, 100, and so this angle is 80 degree. And so POQ is 80 degree. This is what I have written here. You can check it from here. 28th question, A part. Using quadratic formula, find the real roots of the equation 2x square plus 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 if they exist. If they exist, it means we have to find first b square minus 4ac. Here b square minus 4ac is less than 0. It means real root doesn't exist. So we are not going to find the real roots of this equation. Now 28th question, B part. Find the value of k for which the quadratic equation kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0 has real and equal roots. Also find the roots. Now kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0 has real and equal roots. It means b square minus 4 is equal to 0. Substitute the values, you will get 4k, k minus 6 is equal to 0. So either k is 0 or k minus 6 is 0. So we have two values of k. One is 0, one is 6. But if I substitute value of k as 0 in the quadratic equation, then it is not a quadratic equation. So after अगर मैं k को 0 पुट कर देती हूँ जो आपकी गिवन इक्वेशन में है, तो वो आपकी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन ही नहीं रहती. तो दिस इज नॉट द आंसर. सो आंसर फॉर k इज इक्वल टू 6. दैट इज द आंसर. 29th question. One card is drawn at random from the well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards. Find the probability that the card is a red king, not a black card, and ace of heart. Now probability of getting red king, that is 2 by 52, that is 1 by 26. Probability not a black card, that is 26 by 52, that is 1 by 2. And probability an ace of hearts, that is 1 by 52. Now the 30th question. Prove that 2 plus 5 root 3 is an irrational number if it is given that root 3 is an irrational number. Let 2 plus 5 root 3 is a rational number. Then it can be written as a by b, where a and b are co-prime positive integers. Now 5 root 3 is equal to a by b minus 2. So root 3 is equal to 1 by 5 a minus 2b upon b. So root 3 is equal to a minus 2b upon 5b. Now this is a rational number. This is an irrational number. Rational number cannot be equal to irrational number. So our supposition is wrong. It means this is an irrational number. So this is what I have written here. You can check it. Now the 31st question. Prove that tan a plus sec a whole square plus tan a minus sec a whole square is equal to 1 plus sine square a upon 1 minus sine square a. So this is the left hand side. So I am going to start with the left hand side. So this is the left hand side. Tan a can be written as sine a by cos a. Sec a can be written as 1 over cos a. Tan a can be written as sine a over cos a. Sec a can be written as 1 over cos a. Take the LCM. You will have 1 plus sine a whole square upon cos square a plus sine a minus 1 whole square upon cos square a. Write the identity. Take the LCM. You will have 1 plus sine square a plus 2 sine a plus 1 plus sine square a minus 2 sine a. This and this is cancelled. On the next page, what you will get? 2 plus 2 sine square a upon cos square a. So you will have this and take 2 common, and you will have 1 plus sine square a upon 1 minus sine square a. This is the right hand side, and left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now section D. This section comprises long answer type questions of 5 marks each. 32nd question, A part. 2 cubes each of volume 125 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the volume and the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Now the volume of the cube is given 125 centimeter cube. So side of the cube is 125 1 by 3, that is 5 centimeter. So we now know the side of a cube is 5 centimeter. If 2 cubes are joined end to end, then it becomes a cuboid. Now the volume of the cube is 125 centimeter cube. This is given to us. So side of the cube is 125 1 by 3, that is 5 centimeter. And if 2 cubes are joined end to end, then it becomes a cuboid. So length of the cuboid is 5 plus 5, that is 10 centimeter. Breadth of the cuboid is 5 centimeter. Height of the cuboid is 5 centimeter. So volume of the cuboid is 10 into 5 into 5, that is 250 centimeter. Length into breadth into height, that is 250 centimeter cube. Now on the next page we will find the surface area of the cuboid. Formula for the surface area of the cuboid is 2 length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Substitute the values. That will come out to be 150 centimeter square. Now 32nd question, B part. A solid is in the shape of a cone surmounted on a hemisphere with both their diameters being equal to 7 centimeter and the height of the cone is equal to its radius. Find the volume of the solid. Now this is a cone which is surmounted on a hemisphere and its diameter is 7 centimeter. Height is equal to its radius. It means its radius is 7 by 2. So its height is 7 by 2. We are to find the volume of this figure. It means we are to find the volume of this hemisphere plus volume of this cone. What is the formula for hemisphere? That is 2 by 3 pi r cube. And what is the formula for volume of a cone? That is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now, this is what I have written here. Height of the cone is 7 by 2. Radius is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. Volume of the solid is equal to volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. The formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube plus 1 by 3 pi r square h. Common ले लो 1 by 3 pi r square. In the bracket I'll have 2r plus h. Substitute the values. You will get 539 upon 4 centimeter cube. That is the volume of the solid. Now question number 33. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 6 years, he prefers to have a slide whose top is at the height of 2 meters and is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to the ground. Whereas for older children, he wants to have a steep slide at a height of 4 meters and inclined at an angle of 60 degrees to the ground. What would be the length of slide in each case? Now these 2 slides are given to us. This slide is of height 2 meters, this slide is of height 4 meters. This slide makes an angle of 30 degrees with the ground and this makes an angle of 60 degrees with the ground. I am to find the length of this slide. I am to find the length of this slide. So this upon this, BC upon AC is equal to sine 30 degrees, and here RQ upon PR is equal to sine 60 degrees. And we will be able to find the length of AC and PR. And length of AC will come out to be 4 meters and length of PR will come out to be 8 root 3 upon 3 meters. Now 34th question, A part. If BD and QM are medians of triangles ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, prove that AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM. Now we have these 2 triangles, ABC and PQR. BD is the median of this triangle, QM is the median of this triangle. It means D is the midpoint of AC, M is the midpoint of PR. We are to prove AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. Now, triangle ABC is similar to angle PQR. It means angle A is equal to angle P. And all the sides are proportional. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Now, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC can be written as 2 times AD. And PR can be written as 2 times PM. Because D is the midpoint here and M is the midpoint here. So 2 से 2 cancel हो जाता है. So AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM and angle A is equal to angle P, and both the triangles are similar, sides are proportional. It means AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. This is what we want to prove. 34th question, B part. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and EGF such that D and H lie on the sides AB and EF of triangle ABC and triangle FEG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, show that CD by GH is equal to AC by FG, and second, triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Now this is the figure for this statement. Here, what we have seen, CD is the bisector of this angle. It means angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. But here we will prove angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. How we will prove that? Now since ABC is similar to triangle FEG, it means their sides are proportional. Second, angle A is equal to angle F, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle G. If angle C is equal to angle G, then half of angle C is equal to half of angle G. It means angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. This is what I have written here. Both the triangles are similar, angles are equal, their corresponding angles are equal. So when angle C is equal to angle G, half of angle C is equal to half of angle G, it means angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Now second, we will prove this triangle and this triangles are similar. and it's very much clear. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4, angle A is equal to angle F. So by AA criteria of similarity, these two triangles are similar and their sides are proportional. And you see here, triangle ACD and triangle FGH, angle A is equal to angle F, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So both the triangles are similar, sides are proportional, and this is what we want to prove. And now we are going to prove this triangle and this triangle are similar, and they are similar. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle B is equal to angle E. So again both the triangles are similar. This is what we want to prove, and this is what I have written on the next page. So in triangle DCB and triangle HGE, angle 1 is angle 3, angle B is angle E. By AA criteria of similarity, both the triangles are similar. Now question number 35. A manufacturer of TV sets produced 720 TV sets in the 4th year and 880 TV sets in the 8th year. Assuming that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year, find the production in the 10th year and total production in the first 7 years. Now here A4 is 720. It means A plus 3D is 720. A8 is given 880. It means A plus 7D is 880. Now you can find the value of A and D. By elimination method, find value of D, which will come out to be 40. Now find the value of A. That will come out to be 600. So A is 600, D is 40. Now A is 600, D is 40. Find A10. A10 will come out to be 960. You have to find S7. Now Sn, formula for Sn is n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1D. Substitute n S7 and you have the value of A, you have the value of D. It means S7 will come out to be 5040. Production in the 10th year is equal to A10, that is 960, and total production in the first 7 years, that will come out to be 5040. That is the answer. Section E. This section comprises 3 case study based questions of 4 marks each. Case study 1. 36th question. Mutual fund. A mutual fund is a type of investment vehicle that pools money from multiple investors to invest in securities like stocks, bonds, or other securities. Mutual funds are operated by professional money managers who allocate the fund's assets and attempt to produce capital gains or income for the fund investors. This is the figure on the paper. Mutual fund is written here, and there is one computer here, and they have provided you with this picture. Net asset value, NAV, represents a fund's per share market value. It is the price at which the investors buy fund shares from a fund company and sell them to a fund company. The following table shows the net asset value, NAV, per unit of mutual fund of ICICI mutual funds. NAV in rupees: 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. Number of mutual funds: 13, 16, 22, 18 and 11. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. First is, what is the upper limit of the model class of the data? Second, what is the median class of the data? Third, what is the mode NAV of mutual funds? And what is the median NAV of mutual funds? This is the intervals, and this is number of mutual funds, and this is cumulative frequency, which I have written here. Now first question is, what is the upper limit of model class of the data? What is the model class? So this data is given to us. This is the highest frequency. So this is the model class. So 15 is the upper limit of the model class. So answer is 15. So 15 is the upper limit of the model class. Second is, what is the median class of the data? What is the median class of the data? So then write cumulative frequency. This is 86. 86 by 2, that is 43. 43 से जो थोड़ा सा बड़ा नंबर है वो that is 57. 57, this is the median class, and median class is 10 to 15. What is the median class of the data? N is 86, n by 2 is 86 by 2, that is 43. Median class is 10 to 15. यहाँ पर आपको क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी की ज़रूरत पड़ती है मीडियन निकालने के लिए. व्हाट इज द मोड ऑफ म्यूचुअल फंड्स? मोड का जो फार्मूला दैट इज L प्लस F1 माइनस F0 अपॉन 2 F1 माइनस F0 माइनस F2 into H. So in the previous, now here check. This is the highest frequency. So this is F1. So this is F0. This is F2. And here L is 10. H here is 5. So I have written all the values here. I have substituted these values in the formula, and after solving this, I got the answer 12.7. Now median. Median formula for median is L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Now here we know L is 10, H is 5, F is 28, CF is 29 and N is 43. Substitute these values in the formula. After solving this, you will get 12.5 as the answer. Case study 2, question number 37. Resident Welfare Association RWA of Gulmohar Society in Delhi have installed 3 electric poles A, B, C in the society common park. Despite these 3 poles, some part of the park are still in the dark. So RWA decides to have one more electric pole D in the park. The park can be modeled as a coordinate system given below. Now this figure is given there. They have shown 3 poles. One is A, one is B, one is C. And here I have written the coordinates of A, which is 2, 7, coordinates of B, which is 6, 6, coordinates of C, which is 5, 4. And I have taken D here, and the coordinates of D are X, Y. And I have joined these 2 points. I have joined this and this point. And on the next page, they have written the questions. I am going to answer those questions. On the basis of the above information, answer the following questions. First is, what is the position of the pole C? Second, what is the distance of the pole B from the corner O of the park? Third, A part, find the position of the fourth pole D so that the 4 points A, B, C, D form a parallelogram. And its B part is, find the distance between the poles A and C. Here I have written the coordinates of all the points. First is position of pole C, which is 5, 4. And second, distance B from O. That is distance, coordinates of B are 6, 6, coordinates of O are 0, 0. So distance BC is 6 root 2. Now third is, you have to find the coordinates of D. And that forms a parallelogram. It means midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. And 2 plus 5 upon 2, 7 plus 4 upon 2 is equal to 6 plus x upon 2, 6 plus y upon 2. And you will find the coordinates of x and y. That will come out to be 1 and 5. You have to find the distance between AC. Coordinates of A are 2, 7, coordinates of C 5, 4. AC distance is 3 root 2. So that is the answer. Now case study 3, 38th question. Dipankar bought 3 notebooks and 2 pens for rupees 80, and his friend Suryansh bought 4 notebooks and 3 pens for rupees 110 from the school bookshop. Now they have shown this figure here. These are books, this is paper, there is one pen here. This sort of picture is there in the question paper. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. First is, if the price of one notebook be rupees X and the price of one pen be rupees Y, write the given situation algebraically. Second is, what is the price of one notebook? Its B part is, what is the price of one pen? Its third part is, what is the total amount to be paid by Suryansh if he purchased 6 notebooks and 3 pens? Now answer of first question. Price of one notebook is given X rupees. Price of one pen is given Y rupees. So algebraically, according to the sum, the equation will be 3x plus 2y is equal to 80. 4x plus 3y is equal to 110. This is part 1. Second part is, find the price of one notebook. It means we have to find the value of X. Now we have these 2 equations, and by elimination method, I have found the value of X, which will come out to be 20 rupees. So price of one notebook is rupees 20. Now it's B part. Find the price of one pen. It means we have to find the value of Y. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 80, x is 20, and substitute this value here, you will get y is 10. So price of 1 pen is rupees 10. Now the third part is price of 6 notebooks and 3 pens, that is equal to 6 into 20 plus 3 into 10, that will come out to be 150 rupees.